John Kavakis here with a special edition of My Take. The reason it's special is we've got some details for you about the NABCC that I'm pretty excited about. Now, we all know that our first model is going to be a 1956 Buick Century. We also know that the Century was in the Buick lineup since 1936, and what characterized it was a short wheelbase car with the engine from a long wheelbase car in it, kind of an early hot rod, early muscle car. For 1956, Buick came out with a new design on the Century, and it was just beautiful. It had a 255 horsepower, 322 cubic inch engine, and Brooklin created quite a stir when they came out with their model of the 56 Buick Century. It was a new level of detail for Brooklin, a new level of finish. Everything on it was beautiful. Came in a couple of different colors. I know a lot of you already have that in your collection. I've got a few in mine too. Well, we've been working hard with Brooklin to come up with a special edition of the Buick Century, and we are proud to announce that we're going to be able to offer as our inaugural club model the 1956 Buick Century convertible. It's going to be in two-tone. It'll be Dover white over Seminole red. It'll have a two-tone interior, and it's going to come with a top-up and top-down feature, so you can display it either way. Now, the orders are open today, but you have to be a member of the club to order. So the price is $195. I've got some neat stuff to tell you about that. If you're not a member of the club yet, and we've had a lot of people submitting applications and making their payments and everything, but if you're not a member yet, you can be a member by contacting Brian Vale at this email address right here. You can send your dues. You can pay for your cars by sending a check to Foss, who is our treasurer for the NABCC, at this address right over here. He's at 16 Bradford Avenue, Newport, Rhode Island, 02840. You can send a check. We're not set up for PayPal yet, but we are going to be very shortly. But if you want to order early, and you're going to want to order early, if you want to order early, let us know, and you want to use PayPal, we'll make some arrangement for you. Now, there's a couple things that I want to explain that I think you're going to find incredible value in this. The cost of the car is $195. Now, we've had several people already ask if they can order more than one car. And we are making those arrangements, and we're trying hard to give you the best value that we can. So here's what we're going to do. Your first car is going to be $195. Every car you order in addition to that will be $165. Now, $195 is a fantastic value. $165 just knocks this thing out of the park. We're not only going to do that, but for a limited number of people, we don't know how many we're going to be able to offer this for, so you're going to want to get your orders in early. But for the first orders that come in, we have been working very hard. Brian's been working with Simon Alfred at Brooklin to come up with a companion piece to the car. And the companion piece is going to be an NABCC/Brooklin Lampost sign. It is beautiful. I've got a picture of it here. It's done in brilliant blue. It's got gold trim. It's extremely detailed. It's going to have the NABCC logo on one side, have the Brooklin logo on the other side, and it's going to be a keepsake, something you'll be able to put in your display, something you'll be able to put in your diorama and be proud of. But again, there are going to be a limited number of those. We're going to give them all away, but we're going to give them to the first people who order. So you can order today, $195 for the model, $165 if you want extras. You can buy as many as you want. We really want to load up Brooklyn's order banks with this. Simon's excited about it. People in Brooklyn are excited about it. I'm excited about it, and I hope you're excited about it too. So all the information is here in the video. We'll have it down in the notes below. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, I'm going to ask you to click the like button, the thumbs up button down there. And if you'd like to keep current on the news, you can subscribe to the channel. It's been good talking to you. I'll be back again soon.